GC News, Mema Olivia Aquaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, Kwana Mide, Bremo. I don't see, so we can subscribe here. One more day, say, over subscribing to their channel. You'll be able to say, over click it, the subscribe button. Now, a belly notification, we understand video who be uploading when the first person I was having a video. I think we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer for so now when you be here now and someone and Kojo Ghana memoir. I think you're here a year and someone abeto your so you a year some community somewhere a Kojo
and some trouble for your corrupt, I'm telling you. From questions, I'm not going to share the propaganda. Also, be unscripted and farmer. Question Obisano from one of one ever. And a question we know do beside. Who question Obisano? And much I do about not the soon first were wine. The new Patriotic Party told us, if you want to come to this kind of program, you have to send an invitation. The possibility you might ignore the invitation inside. What are they telling you? But we want to do serious interrogation. We want to probe our leaders. And can no crumple here or more crumple who so they are very hard on the government. You have to bring them, you have to convince them. The words are so-called senior journalists. A senior journalist should behave as a senior journalist. When a senior journalist, you think about the welfare of your people. You don't call, you know. When it comes to politics, when it comes to ideology, be a call first one. And when you say the NPP strategically decided, no, we have to go for this one at this particular moment.
So then this is launch their manifesto.
I know one has something to say I want duty
because share me tear Mama 24-hour economy. Yes. The first time Mama I was impressed with Mama. Really? Yes. Or 60 industry. Yes. And then the cash run 24-hour economy. Yes. A team a year you say see industry bit man pro nipa 3,000, 2,000, 1,000 they go. Yes. And now cause all the fighting unemployment. What we are fighting. Now your companies are offering nipa 10, 20 or so I fight. Say Jatanya and one. And they can the problem I have with the NDC is say anytime John Dramani Mama brings out a policy or a program, Mama needs to be church and Nadim. Tiasami you, Mama will be church and Nadim. Now if you look at big men in the NDC, and so much church no more. I didn't mention as anytime they are attacking the Akufo Addo government, anytime they are attacking government, you could see the young guys and if you know what NDC know, they are able to attack them, do constructive criticisms, but their own programs are more young. Also, to convince the ordinary Ghanaian, they can't convince us. Wait in a matter. And I can get a position. Me say, or maybe I won't have a gamma so, and this manifesto my answer may be Zumi. So I will bet you up on me. In fact, I watched portion of the manifesto. Mahama did very well about the 24-hour because or say pharmaceutical industry running 24 hours economy. Let me tell you something. Saying giant pharmaceutical company, a drug to say federal government, and UK made a drug, but India for produce be. She India population, or what means producer do no stop maybe basin. If you run a 12-hour economy, you can do it, baby. Just a 24-hour economy. And that's a large chunk of the Ghanaian youth. They need to come and convince me. Say, I want to get the NPP manifesto. Shabu, say no, we don't have I'll get the manifesto of the NPP. I'll get the manifesto of the NDC. I'll get the plan of Afrafranto. I want to go through the three. Maybe an inconsistency, maybe a trouble, maybe a propaganda war, maybe a positive and negative. We go into it. We will make sure that the ordinary Ghanaian might take an informed decision ahead to this kind of elections. I'm telling you. Bawumia, along lines, Abaso. Yes. Kind of first impression, anything.
The kind. Now, the NPP abaso. Now, Dr. Bawumia abaso. One, even getting the courage to even meet the press. Even getting the courage.
I don't carry any day.
I shall bless you. You met
the press.
See, you don't go for they don't want to be interrogated. Who be a leader? Or that's a man for coming to questions.
See, we are born on the baby. And I make
one in some can. One in some it come back to 100%. Sometimes the party doesn't want to open up. Open the back when they label him to be a pathological liar. And Dr. Really?
But I wasn't also impressed with it.
What I say?
And so to tell us, a boss, Akufo Addo, can you say, or a cocaine dealer? Yes. You catch Akufo Addo, a medra. Yes. Mahama, a governor of a Shawan. But they say, oh, you like a cow.
And it cause for a problem. See, so we would do as a leader. Only consistent, there's inconsistencies about you. Then you take it at a lighter note. It's a serious matter. Meshaibu, Mamen kasa ba control.
Frank, in the first place, no.
Yes.
And some job from Koye, how they were selected.
Yes.
Yeah, Basi woman.
Yes.
From Bono.
Yes.
Ashanti.
Yes.
Central.
Yes.
Koye.
Yes.
Did that affect the quality of the question?
Yes. If you listen, you should program in your house. Me, maybe I make me so plan conform can crew we are some for number one. Let's say and some for me number one, and I'm going to explain to you what they are say you are even trying to even limit it. One, the new Patriotic Party told us, say, if you want to come to this kind of programmer, you have to send an invitation. So remember, I want to ask questions on your behalf. I have to send an invitation. The possibility you might ignore the invitation is high.
I didn't maybe no.
Yanam Koma and a Franco, I'm out your program, quite your program. Said no, you good party in this animal. And they feel and think that there are some kind of questions. You may not be president, might even create problems. So be your invitation a acceptance one or offer.
Yeah.
Acceptance the person can ignore or accept it. Any parliament argument Shabula sees the jack. Anytime there is no speaking good about us. Shabula is doing constructive criticism, always hard on the government. Sani pray never be critical problems.
I've spoken with some of our senior journalists. They were complaining that most of their invitations were being declined.
Make a want it. And make a choice. What the two say Siana? They will not say Shabula Sisi. Meba, Boame, who shall come in?
Yeah.
Okay.
What
are you for vice by you running made for no? No, paying for the being through. What are they telling you?
Oh, some say there's an attack on the government, there's an attack on the candidate.
Yes. What do I know? Thank you.
And you don't come to Franco, say, okay, tell me, say, oh, yeah, I mean, Marco, come for question, yeah, but now make me show you without cancer.
And meaning say, they're able to identify the two of us, say, yeah, problematic. Send the invitation 3,000 times or making on it 3,000 times. But say, we want to do serious interrogation. We want to probe our leaders. And can no crumple here. Or more crumple who so they are very hard on the government. You have to bring them, you have to convince them. I don't know if I'm making sense to you. Yet, Shabula is in Austin. But what's the person your program? No one's a Shabula is no Yadano. Blah, come and ask me any question you want to ask me. They selected few. And confirm they feel and think that they love them. Or make me they brought them on board. Shabu, take this from me. There's a difference between a gift. There's a difference between a solid and there's a difference between a bride. Okay. Yet, Shabu says who tell 200 Ghana cedis as a gift, a normal gift for me. That's what I say. So now tell me 5,000 as a gift. It goes beyond the gift.
Yeah.
Some gifts are bribe. Yeah. Some solid are bribe. See, shall call the first of Copium Accra. You don't want to pass a echo. Last one conduct who you need to be extremely difficult for you to come back. Yeah. Maybe I will con one, and you see some trouble in himself. Let's be honest. And that is why I have a problem with journalists in this town.
I do have evidence to that.
Oh, Sabula, we say we are 20,000. I'm 100 million. I can't get it. We see, they beg 25,000. They look at a hierarchy of system. They look at your level, your caliber. And they give you the kind of thing they want to give you. I'm telling you. I know what I'm telling you. And I'm sure back on one and other panel. And to me, who sends some 12 fire delegates, I have problem with them. Charles is still. Nipa ba could 20,000. Or maybe no na 7 months, 8 months in Janica. How can you come on venue?
Hot news all time.
And do constructive criticisms. And the man you want say, Bawumia Campaign now and said are you not surprised? No, are you not surprised? And sometimes you represent the people. You speak the mind of the ordinary Ghanaian.
We say this is here. Now go so
say. That's what make you. The reason why a lot of people watch me when they say they see us to be objective and sincere. Objective. Me, who besides we could do questions when I can person sometimes you even listen to the kind of questions. The word some of you say Jaika. So-called senior journalist. So-called senior journalist. A senior journalist should behave as a senior journalist. When a senior journalist, you think about the welfare of your people. You don't call, you're so connected questions. I'm not going to share the propaganda. Also, be unscripted and farmer. Just now, was so be unscripted. Question Obisano, if from one or ever,
and a question we know do beside.
Who question Obisano?
Tan.
Who question Obisano? And much I do about not the swimming fast with a wine. And I was really surprised. I'm telling me, say, almost our level, Shabula CC, more HFM, was our way be Mantin Jack, Shabula CC 20,000. They try to look at your weight. And some job for a power Tróuble. Shabula CC, me say, make me praising Nipa or a balloon shade. Me say, and some job for a corrupt, I'm telling you. From questions, you say. Every day, Owusu say yes. The guy, there's a Net2 you heard a fundamental. Bakubu Bisa say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should identify 2 key failures.
Yes, yeah.
So that be on the character of a manifesto. It is an intent, motive. Quite have person was fast to Yabi. Me Afanko. 3 questions came from Ashanti region. First one, Kwame Dinkra. Obisa then. Kwame Dinkra essay. Ring road and some interchange be our Ashanti region. Yes. Abano Dr. Owusu on my assurance. And that guy back who take it from news editor. Yes. Oh, sorry, we start question. What chacha and come on a pabaso. Oh, my congratulations. And I enemy of some pa. Also Kubusa said less Owusu brofubi. Let's see. Maybe have a question. Another question was in relation to the flat rate. Yes. Flat rate. Yeah. So we get kind. Question Obisa, from my point of view, she asked a very good question, and I'm going to explain to you. The NPP are telling us, Omoba import duties is going to be flat. Yeah. Flat. The Shabula CC, be a flat rate of 10%. Yeah. The Shabula CC, the normal buy 10%. I want the NPP to convince me. Wame. Same fans will be the car 40 feet container bar. No, be the 4 feet 40 container bar. Are we going to have a different components? Are we going to have a different tax rate? As I'm just saying, Sebia can be a flat with 10%. Yeah. Sebia would 1 billion, 10% 1 billion. Or they 100 billion, 10% of 100 billion. Shabla, are we being fair? Are we being fair? Obiakoka engines, Obiakoka force. You look at the quality and the quantity and the price. And the price. As a man can say. So the NPP, Octane was say, and one day, they know how to deal with it. Maybe spare parts for it when you're away for it. So you don't tell me say it's a flat rate. Yeah. Tell me, be honest. Angel made sure some manifesto. Try to be open. You tell the Ghanaians the well, it's the same at the end. Always, they will tell you, say, almost promo be say terms be condition apply. Thank you. That is what they are telling us. You cannot convince me. So we'll be a first spare pass deba, and we'll be a force with debano. And so we need 10% flat rate. I don't get it. So that girl question. Nice question. Yes, the answer was I wasn't convinced about that. You have not comedy guidance. Interchange. You see, Kwame or Ghana or that's someone issue. Oh, he's a senior journalist. Assurance ban open. Because say assurance be no so quota mokwata say amokwata be can say on my 5 interchange. Yes, but Kwame the guest started say no any question. It's not your question. And you see, sometimes I have problem with this senior journalist. Question could be say Jenny Kai assurance ban say the man. What kind of assurance? Assurance o maybe be money so. To a lot of people don't assurance assurance. Because if you look at the NPP, it is captured in the budget 2021. Or say it's going to take effect in 2022. Yeah. So with you, I didn't see a capture in the budget of 2021. It will take effect in 2022. 5 interchanges in Ashanti region, especially in the Kumasi metropolis. Nipano, what now? So I cover 3 years or 4 years or the cars in assurance then our people. Tell them the reality. What Ashanti people are saying in Ashanti region. And you see, man, this is not the first time. And maybe so Kennedy also has also your opportunity. And Akufo Addo question, it was irrelevant. You see, I did a month for what Ashanti region. You go then you tell them. How they can get solution for it. So as a month for an issue, you got no opportunity. Because this is a question. Quote to Amoakwata, quote to Ken Ofori Atta. Me say, they are going to ask questions. That questions are of selfish interest. Questions will be sending your question. It will benefit the ordinary Ghanaian. So when you say yes, they are hating it. He doesn't care. On 3 say Shebule Sisi. Or Bisa question says our question when I'm person Bisa. Listen to what the lady asked the vice president.
Yeah, question that video now. Franco Eka was Emra.
Mr. Vice President, you will remember this quote: if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. And as at the time you were making this statement, a dollar to CD was 3 cedis and above, or about 3 cedis, 4 cedis, right? Thank you. 2024, a dollar to a cedi is 15 Ghana cedis, about 15 Ghana cedis. Okay, over 15 Ghana cedis. Thank you. How do I explain this to my mother, a cocoa seller, that in 2014 the fundamentals were weak? In 2024, where the dollar is now 15 cedis, the fundamentals are not weak, but the prices of goods and services are high today.
Yeah, Franco.
Yes.
Video legend yes. From Net2 TV. Yes. Obisa Dr. Bawumia said, "Tamana dollar.
Thank you.
I 1 cedi, 4 cedis to a dollar.
Thank you.
You can say when the fundamentals are weak, yes, will expose you.
Yes.
And the dollar 15 cedis.
Yes.
On Dr. Mobe and methodology or the Quabontini, Aquaco convince or mammy and on not talking.
Sammy, the lady Obisa question I don't know, but I doff my heart for the girl.
But that Net2 TV girl.
Me Kwaku penny number craft friend or cry. I'm telling you. What chance for a yes and to look at the big men over there. Always you sit on radio. No can send the Messia president, vice president. Ni pause what the policies, banning programs about out can send the bill. What to me, Saturday. And no man here, and a man for Bisa, no man here. Look at this young girl. Straight bullet to the man. One and your opposition, who can say, and I catch a Franco the hit a song called campaign, can chairman for and farmer NPP. If the fundamentals are the essential to expose you. Shabu, no Opoku Addo. Yeah. No party that be a mechanic, some papa dear. Baby will be a funny currency. One from Uncle Squanquame. My father told me one thing. What say? If a technocrat wants to deceive you, he confuses you.
If a technocrat wants to deceive you, yes, he confuses you.
Now, let's go back in 2016. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia said, if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. We never heard Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia talking about fiscal policies. We never heard say a GDP is and he was straight, explicit, emphatic. And a person at that moment, if you look at Bella Knight, it's around 3.8, 3.9. John Dramani Mama is a super incompetent leader. It is either Ghana found Tróuble Frontier away from John Dramani Mama.
Yeah.
Sometimes nobody was looking at any indicators. Just not make catch no indicators because what's something I will catch at that day. He wasn't giving us indicators. And then I may catch us say if over the day if Mahmoud Bawumia is able to convince him to convert and come and says our Jena will come no it's a serious matter.
Yeah.
So we are something you. Who take a question will be Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is very smart. And smart now he wanted to confuse us. Get a question. It was straight. What say? Kwame so bit more first watch sex and watch and man. I would underline word and say Kwame bit more first watch and mamia or you're illiterate or you're naive or you're ignorant about the economy. So indicators no one tells you. Kwame so bit more first as watch sex and as get a question as I did our panel. Yeah. What about the other what the call fiscal policy? What the call for number? I don't know one tells you. And or the big blue is one tells you.
Fiscal policy. Never know to you, but they defend fiscal policy.
Remember, I was going to chat to I was being a shop or 20 jewels in normal. Who got fiscal policy? I was going to Tiasia. Tell me, who got growth for one Tiasia? GDP on Tiasia. The ordinary Ghanaian wants to know. Again, Tina Bella moving from 4.2 to 16 Ghana cities.
Calculation, they say.
Good. A year day.
Thank you,
my brother. Thank you. And I also the free senior high school. And I'm a Kwaku he doesn't need any technical ways. He related to it. Tell me, but then I may be sound. Our person confusing me. What should I call for GDP, fiscal policy, new rate, and I'm ready. Mamma mia, Koso and Tawoma mia, what Tiba Sigils and their warrior Jumano. Kwaba on fiscal policy, maybe. A businessman, oh, no, Juma. That businessman in young school. But what might be a lot of companies, what be a lot of branches now. Ni part of the GDP fiscal policy near the person wants you to convince him. $90 moving from 4.2 to 16 Ghana cedis. Give him the fabric, the ordinary point view, man. And that's what I can't just say.
Franco, there was this question on Nipane Kutu Bawumia.
Yes.
Was it teachers are suffering,
yes.
nurses are suffering,
yes.
Kayu are suffering,
yes.
and journalists are suffering.
Yes.
Was it Bawumia? And
yes,
Yahoo Cherry,
yes,
and all we say, and was say, I know Cressa Hocheni you womb na Russia Ukraine COVID-19, but I know almost share pa the free education, and I can't hold us to clear school fees, and I almost share pa and a note to traffic, and new health insurance, which me a timid drone to me deliver moja. Drone to deliver past question. Ever can hold chamber more.
Or class as a more now convinced. But some trouble with boom some more. As some of you won't convince me. We are suffering more than under John Dramani, Mama. Let's be open, let's be explicit, let's be sincere. And cannot come NPP, mechanical credit actually. Why you blow Ghana? It is more than when John Dramani Mama was the president.
But also, say Muhammad Taman. Now, what you but no to school fees.
Yes,
but we say I watch school fees in the
Shabra is my main cousin. In any civilized country, in any country, unemployment rate to work from. No man for net your papa. They don't think about fees in high school. As I make it. The person can derive what he wants, product or pen or obey. Me say, 3,000. Make me be bad and now could school 8,000 Ghana cedis. That's what I make a chono. Tell me,
yeah.
Free senior high school, yeah. But the man can say now that's Shabra Sisi. Say, I'm going to say, you tell me, Kaya, me banner now could school and person the Neko. Whereby the thing is not affecting me. But because a lot of politicians who have been born and they think about their selfish and personal interests, no, always they want the masses to control to them. So that's all I can know. So no free senior high school nearby, yeah. Free senior high school, go and check prospectors among foot here. Prospectors. Who be Shabra Sisi?
So you were not impressed with that answer?
Now what are you coming? They should tell us the rules and policies, programs on the bar, a year amount for their free. If he doesn't know, and under John Dramani near talking to 2 cities. And another guy Kwaku Annan not talking to 5 and me. First, look at 30 Ghana to different from who to be told. And then you have 100 Ghana cities. And then another catch us say. So often now, so the mood now, and want to do a layman's point of view calculations. John Dramani Mama was better than we have and another Kwaku Annan. And I'm going to explain to you. Then I catch you say, under John Dramani Mama, the minimum wage is 8 cities, 80 pesos. And about 18 cities, 80 pesos. Say the 10 cities now, under John Dramani Mama, Shabra Sisi, Okona Kotomu Baga, 5 clothes, it was around 40 to 45 Ghana.
Yeah.
If you multiply 27, multiply by 8.8, and around 450 something or something. And no crown police, would make Tom more time what you coffee.
Yeah.
And minimum wage, there was a minimum wage, then to a cash with 500 Ghana cities. One I would in the bag, you say.
7 something.
And I don't Dramani Mama, and some of my Mama no make you. And I don't Dramani Mama, a liter of 4 was 4 Ghana cities. So you should come,
yeah.
You should come in the boy. And that's 4 cities. And I'm Mama.
What are you 4?
What are you 4?
3.9.
What are you 4? Let's give them the benefit of the doubt. You're 4. Multiply 4 by 4, and 1 gallon is 16 Ghana cities. This I can wait to 16 Ghana cities. Gallon in the Gukem. And that's how can we used to near day. We hear about 65 to 70 Ghana cities to buy the same food. As it say 1 can be 9 Ghana cities. Me say go and check.
No waiting for winning and someone abecto yebro so. The council just need so and our channel. So we can subscribe here. Or more than say we subscribe to the channel. Now feel so while like the video and share my of first we be here. Sanse hadi latest and hot news in Kwana me Bremo. Also with me actually what Gyamfi so we now comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.